Hey, my name is Russell Brunson. I'm one of the co-founders of ClickFunnels, and a lot of people since I launched ClickFunnels have asked me, like, Russell, how did you develop your software platform? And a lot of times I think I'm a programmer, and I am not a programmer by any stretch of the imagination. Like, well, how did you launch this huge successful software company if you're not a programmer? And I always look at them, I said, well, let me ask you a question. Do you have an idea for a software product you want to make, or maybe there's an app you want to build and put in the App Store? And almost everybody I talk to says, yes, I know exactly what I would build. I would do this, this, and this, but I don't know how to program. And I always smile because I don't know how to program either. In fact, the very first software idea I had over 15 years ago, I didn't know how to program, so I wanted to build it. So I actually went and shifted my majors in college from a communications degree into a programming degree because I wanted to code the software myself. After about 2 or 3 days in the class, I realized that everything was completely over my head and I didn't know what to do. And about that time, I went online and I found a programmer in Romania, and I paid him $20 to build my very first software program. I took that product, I started selling it for $67, and that's how I launched my online marketing career, was selling software. And over the last 10 years or so, I've sold a lot of different software in a lot of different industries and had a lot of fun with it. But 3 years ago, we decided to launch a software company, ClickFunnels. And those who know me, know my story, know that it has blown up literally overnight. But the big question that people always ask me is, how do you build your own software? And if I was to sell ClickFunnels, like, what would I do? Would I do another software company? Would I do something different? And I always tell people, like, if I was to sell ClickFunnels or get rid of it, which I'm not planning on doing, but if I was, the only thing I would do next is build another software company. I've done all sorts of companies in the past. I've done supplement companies, information products, but software is by far my favorite business model of all. And so you don't have to be a programmer to do it. All you have to do is someone with an idea. And if you don't have an idea, we actually give you a whole bunch of ideas as well. But you take those ideas and then you hire programmers, developers, people in other countries a lot of times to build these things for pennies on the dollar. So if you ever wanted your own software product or you had an idea for an app or something, now is the time you can actually create that. And it's probably not going to cost you the hundreds of thousands of dollars you imagined it was going to take you to build it. You can build it for a lot less, to show you behind the scenes about how to develop and launch your very own software idea, even if you have no idea how to program. I got 2 partners, and they're going to show you behind the scenes what they've done. I'm going to show you behind the scenes what we've done, and hopefully give you the exact path and process you need to do to get your very first software product launched. So what you need right now, click on the link down below.